In the Senedd, a committee is made up of a small group of members of the Senedd from different parties. They focus on specific areas of Welsh life, like health, education, transport, environment and housing. Their job is to look at the detail and ask questions and make sure that the Welsh Government is doing what it says it will do. First, committees choose a topic to investigate, something that affects people in Wales. Then, they gather evidence by hearing from experts, community groups, charities and members of the public. They might visit schools, hospitals or local projects to see what's happening on the ground. After collecting all of this information, they discuss what they found and publish a report with recommendations for change. Those reports are important and can influence new laws, shape government policy and highlight issues that need attention. It's also one of the main ways in Wales people can have their say by sharing their experiences and views with a committee. In short, committees are where a lot of the detailed work happens in the Senedd. They keep the Welsh Government in check, make sure public money is being well spent and give people a voice in the decision that affects them. Stick around for part 5 to find out who's who in the Senedd.